Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our January new products video. Our first new product is this inspection plate. This fits the 1966 to 77 Ford Bronco. This is for the Dana 20. It's on the side of the transfer case. We've had it remade. It's made here in the United States. It's laser cut, stainless steel, and the guy actually came up with a little artistic design on it if you want to put that on there, or you can just turn it over to the other side. It's plain. Brand new for the 66, 77 Ford Bronco, inspection plate cover, made in the United States, stainless steel. And our next new product are these fan spacer kits. These are for the 73 to 86 F-Series pickup and 78 to 86 Ford Bronco. Come in two styles. These are made just like the original ones. Got the 1.5" tall one and 2.5" tall one. These both come with the mounting bolts and lock washers. What this does, this sits on the water pump and spaces your fan towards the radiator. The closer you get it to the radiator, the better it draws, cooler your engine runs. So we have them in the 1.5" and 2.5" for the 78 to 86 Ford Bronco and the 73 to 86 F-Series pickup. And our next new product are these rear gas tank kits. We have these for the 73 to 84 F-Series pickup, and we pick up again in 1990 to 1996 F-Series pickup. Basically what we put together here is a complete kit. Drop your tank down, we give you everything you need to put it back together. First you get the brand new gas tank. This what we have here is for an 80 to 84. You get a brand new sending unit, seal and lock ring to lock it in place. Then if you have a 79 and above, you get this emissions valve and grommet which go in the top to breathe it. We give you the two rubber straps you lay on the bottom straps, two brand new bottom straps, mounting hardware, and finally to finish it off, we give you a brand new filler hose with the clamps. So basically everything you need to replace the gas tank. Like I said, we have it for 73 to 84 F-Series pickup for the rear. And we also have them for 1990 to 96 F-Series pickup. Complete kit, sold here at the Bronco Graveyard. And our next new product is this tool. This is a sending unit lock ring installation tool and removal tool. It's a 2-in-1 tool. I've seen this from one of our suppliers. I bought it. I go, this is a great idea. So we're selling these now. This is the gas tank out of my camper Bronco. It was leaking, so I pulled it out. Here's the brand new one. I installed put the new seal down. I put the sending unit in place. So all you have to do is put your lock ring in place, slide on the tool here, like so, turn it, lock it in place, you're ready to go. Brand new, comes off just as easy. Pretty easy. So instead of using a hammer and a straight blade screwdriver, this is the tool. This fits the 2-inch one, which Ford used all the way up to about 85, 86. The 3 5/8 one, we're in production with it right now. We should have that shortly. If you buy one of our Bronco or truck gas tank kits, this would be the tool to have. Brand new 2-in-1 sending unit lock ring, removal, and installation tool. This is my 1984 Bronco Camper. This originally came from Colorado. The little history behind it is, gentleman bought it brand new, and him and his wife used to go camping and hunting in it. After they got done with it, they put it at the auction, and a younger guy bought it, and then his family expanded, so he had to sell it. I bought it from him about 10 or 12 years ago. It's pretty good. It's a 1984, got the 302 in it, got the 3-speed with 4th gear overdrive, got an 8/8 track lock in the rear, 84,000 miles on it. It's basically untouched. It's pretty nice. They touched the paint up on the bottom half here, but the rest of it's basically a rust-free truck. The gas tank was just recently leaking. I'm putting a new gas tank in it. But other than that, it's ready to go. What's pretty cool about it is it's like a time capsule. It's got if you want to go camping, it's got a sink, it's got a stove, it's got a refrigerator, and best of all, it's got a heater in it. It's all pretty much here the way the old guy left it back in the day. There's your propane tank. It's got a drain hose here. He's got extra hoses and belts for the engine when they went off camping and hunting in the woods. What's nice about it also is it's got the heater in it. Here's for your stove. You fire it up right here and away you go. It's basically, other than a bathroom, it's a complete camping unit. I've seen a few of these. I always wanted one, so when this came up, I bought it.